Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this LG. First of all, go into settings and tap on display section over here. Now scroll all the way down and click on one-handed mode. In order to activate it, click on this white sweater at the top. And to use it, follow those instructions. Drag the left-right edge to the middle and hold. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, click on this area. Or simply swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same, now green sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!